Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best senior dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ORIJEN Senior Dry Dog Food. ORIJEN Senior Dry Dog Food uses fresh and animal ingredients to improve your dog's general wellness with a grain-free formula. The recipe is low in carbohydrates and fats to prevent weight gain and high in animal protein to support lean muscle mass. It features 85% animal protein to ensure your pooch gets all the essential amino acids and fatty acids for healthy skin, coat, and brain development. In addition, the fatty acids ensure that the cognitive health of your pooch does not rapidly decline even as they grow old. ORIJEN Senior Food is deemed to be high quality since it ensures its food meets the AAFCO nutritional level standards. Being available only in chicken flavor, it is perfect for dogs with sensitive stomachs or food allergies because it doesn't contain common allergens like wheat, soy, or corn. If you are looking for a grain-free formula for your senior dog's aging joint and muscles, this is it. ORIJEN Senior Dry Dog Food provides all the necessary nutritional needs for an aging pooch. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hills Science Diet Senior 7 Plus Dry Dog Food. This Hills Science Diet offer comes with an amazing senior formula for adult dogs aged 7+. It is the perfect choice for your kibble-loving canine. If your dog prefers the normal size kibble, simply get the regular sized version. In terms of ingredients, it's worth noting that this senior dog food includes an antioxidant blend with vitamin C for a stronger immune system and to promote a healthy weight. L-carnitine is also added to help restore the energy levels of the dog, which is crucial for keeping it active. As it is included in our list of the best dog food for older dogs, you can expect it to contain no trace of artificial colors, preservatives, or flavors. It is perfectly safe for an aging pet's gut as well as dogs with allergies. Being one of the best dog foods to give to senior dogs, it gets our recommendation. The formula has been proven and tested by thousands of pet parents to help give older dogs energy despite their old age. Being one of the best dog foods to give to senior dogs, it gets our recommendation. The formula has been proven and tested by thousands of pet parents to help give older dogs energy despite their old age. At number 3, we have the IAMS Proactive Health Mature Senior Dry Dog Food. What we love the most about this dog food for senior dogs, IAMS Proactive Health Mature Senior Dry Dog Food, is that it is very easy to feed to a senior dog. Even picky eaters enjoy the formula, making it the selling point of this particular senior dog food from the manufacturer. Furthermore, each kibble contains vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that are naturally sourced, which resulted in less scratching in our senior dogs. From what we have observed, this specific brand is effective in helping older dogs that are experiencing skin and coat problems. It is also competitively priced, giving pet parents one more reason to opt for this brand. If you want to boost the appearance of your furry friend's skin and coat, start feeding the IAMS Proactive Health Adult Dry Dog Food to it. Being a product of a reputable dog food company for 50 years and satisfying hundreds of thousands of pet parents and dogs alike, there is no reason not to trust its formulation. At number 2, we have the Victor Super Premium Dog Food. Victor Super Premium Dog Food is formulated with premium ingredients such as chicken, pork meals, and beef, all of which are healthy protein sources. The recipe also contains selenium yeast that boosts the immune system, metabolic function, and cellular regeneration. It contains gluten-free grains such as whole grain millet and grain sorghum that provide carbohydrates, making it ideal for dogs with allergies. Also, it does not contain meat byproducts and thus assures dog owners they know what they are feeding their pooch. The Victor Super Dog Food is beneficial for dogs with dry skin thanks to the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids to maintain your pooch's coat and shiny skin. It contains 79% protein from protein-dense ingredients such as chicken, pork, and beef. In addition, The ingredients make a rich and savory flavor that your pooch, and even those with fussy taste buds, will surely enjoy. Victor Super Premium Dog Food should be your go-to choice if you want a healthy diet for active working, pregnant, or nursing dogs. Its incredible formula will provide your pooch with sustained energy while supplying endurance and stamina. And finally at number 1, we have the CANIDAE Pure Senior Dry Dog Food. One of the best choices for an aging pooch is CANIDAE's Pure Grain-Free Dry Dog Food. It appeals to dog parents that are looking for food that's free from grains and high in meat protein. All the ingredients added to this dog food are good in quality, which is important as older dogs have a more sensitive stomach. Furthermore, the CANIDAE's Pure Dog Food helps dogs approach old age with youthful energy. It's free of antibiotics, gluten, hormones, soy, or corn, so it is also safe for a canine with a food allergy. It's worth mentioning that its formula includes sweet potatoes, which are good sources of complex carbohydrates. A product of a holistic dog food brand, CANIDAE Pure Grain-Free Dry Dog Food offers your senior dogs a balanced diet. Real chicken is its #1 ingredient. As for the other ingredients, they're all simple to assist an aging dog's digestion issue. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.